What is perimeter? Have you ever walked around your house? Have you seen yards with fences? The distance around your house or a yard is called perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape or an area. The distance is usually found in inches, feet, or miles.
Perimeter is the outside boundary of an object or place. It could be a room in a house, the parking lot at school, or the distance around a block in your neighborhood. A perimeter could be small or large. Perimeters can include straight lines or curved lines.
The perimeter of a shape is the distance all the way round its edges. The perimeter is measured in units such as centimeters, feet, or meters. The measurement is needed to calculate a perimeter depends on the shape. For a rectangle, you will need to know the length and width of the shape. It is usual to know the longest side, the length, and the shortest, the width or breadth. This diagram represents a pen for Jim's hens. How much netting does he need to go round the plot? All measurements are in meters. Here the length is 5 meter and the width is 4 meter. The perimeter of the plot is 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 equals to 18. So he needs 18 meter of netting.
There are several reasons to use perimeter.
It is used to determine the amount of fence needed around the yard of a house. Knowing the perimeter of a picture helps with choosing the right size picture frame. Buying a hat may require the size of the outside of your head so the hat fits better. A track around a football field can be measured by using perimeter to determine how far runners may travel in a race. The perimeter around a door or window may be needed to add fancy wool on its outside.
Perimeter refers to the length of the boundary of any plane closed figure. For example, I have this box in the shape of a rectangle here and I would like to wrap a piece of ribbon around it. In order to do that, I need to find the perimeter of this box. To find the perimeter of any rectangle, we need to multiply the sum of its length and breadth by 2. So, the length of this box is 14.8 cm and its breadth is 9.8 cm. If we add those two numbers, the sum would be 24.6 centimeters. And if we multiply 24.6 centimeter by 2, then it would be 49.2 centimeters. Now I have this piece of ribbon over here and I'll be cutting it from here, from this point, because I had already marked this point as 49.2 centimeters. So I've cut it. And now I'll be wrapping it around this box. So as you can see, the ribbon perfectly fits as it is the same as the perimeter of this box.
Hello, I am Anurna Pal of class 4. Today I will explain about perimeter of square. At first, I will say the definition of square. A square is a parallelogram in which all the angles are right angles. Square's sides are all equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D equal to 90 degree, that is right angle. length of one side is A. Perimeter. First I will say the perimeter's definition. The perimeter is the sum of length of all the sides of a plane figure by which its area is bounded. So, perimeter of square equal to side plus side plus side plus side equal to 4 into length of one side equal to 4 into A equal to 4A. Thank you.
Perimeter and area. Perimeter is the distance around the edge of a shape. Basically, it is the boundary line of the shape. We can find the perimeter either by adding the sides of a shape or by using formulas. Formula to find the perimeter of a square is side into 4. If the side is 37 cm, then 37 cm into 4, 148 centimeter is the perimeter, and the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. If the length is 4 meter and the breadth is 2 meter, then 4 plus 2 meter equals to 6 meter. Now 6 into 2, 12 meter is our perimeter of the rectangle. Area is the amount of space inside the shape. We can find area by using only formulas. Formula to find the area of a square is side into side. If the side is 37 cm, then 37 cm into 37 cm is 1369 cm square. And the formula to find the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. If the length is 4 meter and the breadth is 2 meter, then 4 into 2 meter equals to 8 meter square.
Good day everyone, I am Devaki Mukherjee from class 6B and now I am going to explain you about perimeter and area. So now coming to perimeter. Perimeter is the shortest distance around a shape. For example, take a rectangular box whose length is 12 cm and breadth is 9 cm. So formula of finding a perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into 12 plus 9 cm. So the answer is 42 cm. As now coming to a square figure, remember that a square is a special case of a rectangle. All the sides of a square are equal. So the length of the side of this square is 3 cm. So the formula of finding the perimeter of a square is 4 into length of a side. So 4 into 3, the answer will be 12 cm. And now coming to area. Area refers to space inside of a shape. For example, the rectangular box. And the formula of finding area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So here the area of the rectangle is 12 into 9 centimeter. So the answer is 108 centimeter square. So now coming to a square figure. The formula of finding area of a square is side into side. So here 3 cm into 3 cm, the answer will be 9 cm square. And now sharing tips about area. When we find the area of a shape, the answer is always squared. For example, 50 square feet or 50 feet square. You can take an example from this 9 cm square.
Perimeter of a triangle. Finding the perimeter of a triangle means finding the distance around the triangle. The simplest way to find the perimeter of a triangle is to add up the length of all its sides. Therefore, perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of length of all its sides. For example, find the perimeter of the triangle given below. So the triangle ABC is a scalene triangle, as the sides of this triangle have different lengths. So here the question is, find the perimeter of the triangle. So the solution of this question is, perimeter of the triangle ABC is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. AB is equal to 6.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter and CA is equal to 5.5 centimeter. So we have to add 6.5 centimeter plus 7.5 centimeter plus 5.5 centimeter. When we add up these lengths, the answer is 19.5 centimeter. So the perimeter of this triangle is 19.5
Today
centimeter.
we are going to discuss about area. What is area? Area of a closed plane figure is the measurement of the region enclosed by its boundary. For better understanding, look at the bottle on my study table. This bottle covers some space in the bottom. The space is known as area of the bottom of the bottle. It can be definite shape or may not be. For definite shape, we have formulas. For rectangle, it is length into breadth. For square, it is side square or side into side. We measure area in units square. For example, meter square, centimeter square or kilometer square. Thank you.